Hi, this is a tutorial on how to make newspaper tubes and build stuff with them. So this is a newspaper tube right here. You need several things to make them. You need a newspaper, you need some masking tape, and you can use a dowel. In this case, I'm using a 1 centimeter dowel or a 10 millimeter dowel, but you can also do this with a pencil. It's just a little more difficult with a pencil. You should pre-cut some tape. You're going to take one sheet of a newspaper and flatten it out. And then simply take the dowel and put it into the corner of the newspaper and start to roll it. You kind of want to be a little bit off-centered because you'll see you want the tape to end up in the center when you're completed this. So I'm going to tape this in the center. It doesn't have to be dead right in the center, but as close as possible is good. And there we go, a newspaper roll. And they're pretty strong. Now I'm making 2 others. This is in fast motion. Now they really don't join well together. You can't really stick them in, you can't really tape them. So the best thing you can do is make a strong structure. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going to make a triangle out of them. And the first thing I want to do is make sure that they're equilateral. So I'm using a 60 centimeter ruler here, and I'm just cutting my newspaper tubes, the ends off of them, which the ends are quite weak also because there's less paper there. So I'm cutting the ends off of them. And then what I'm going to do is just kind of match them up. This way I get an equilateral triangle as part of my structure. So now I have 2 tubes that are the exact same length, and I'm just doing the same thing with the 3rd tube. I'm then going to tape together the corners of this equilateral triangle. I'm going to start by putting tape over the corners. This just kind of holds everything together. I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. So I'm kind of acting in tension. And then I'm going to put a piece of tape over the top of that corner. And this is going to really make a rigid structure. I'm actually pushing down quite hard on this, but not so hard that it's going to break, but it's quite strong. All right, thank you for watching.